Hi, hello, and welcome to the channel. Hope you're having some good times. And this video is about GoPro Shorty, which is an accessory for GoPro. And I accidentally bought it for 380 rupees in Amazon. I just want to unbox the product, and before that, I want to give a brief. In Amazon, I was searching through some camera accessories, and all of a sudden, I saw this listing of GoPro Shorty that is being sold at 380 rupees with GST. And I thought might be a glitch, and then I closed the application and then reopened it, and then it was the same. I shared the link to a few of my friends to check whether it is showing the same. It was showing around 1600 to 2000 rupees, and the present market rate even shows around 1600 1800, but it was the same for 2 continuous days for around 380. And then I thought, okay, might be some deal or something, so I booked some pre-quantity. The parcel has just arrived. Let's check now how good the product is, because there were 3 sellers totally. One seller was giving it for around 380, and other 2 people were giving it for around 3000 rupees. So there is a lot of changes in the price amount. The product is just here. Let me show you. So this is the product. So let's unbox and check whether the Shorties what we received is original, and if it was original, it's a great deal actually. This is the product. Let's start unboxing it. Seriously, it is from the original GoPro packing. I ordered for 3, I got all 3. I'll unpack one because I have ordered one for myself. I'm opening it, and I got the bill for it. Let me show you the bill. For 3 quantities, it is around 1140, which is around 380 into 3. It might be a glitch to my assumptions, but all good from a customer point of view. This is original. That is how it is. So it is the original GoPro Shorty. I thought it might be a duplicate one, but no, it is seriously original considering the price. It is a kind of a good offer, and I think it extends a bit. Yeah, for vlogging, and it is strong, sturdy. This is the only GoPro accessory I have bought for such a less price of around 380. The actual selling price on the box is around 3400. But the price much more than what we get for the price. So it's a perfect deal. So mostly such deals don't happen, and that happens only at times where there is a big billion sale or Great Indian Festival something. Hope you like the video, and if you are new, do subscribe, and peace.